I want to show you how I've trimmed this eyebrow on this one. I have razor blade here, and to just brush them and trim them and make sure that you see where you want to trim. Don't mind this. I had been fixing a wig and I got burnt by a hot comb, so yeah, that's why I have this mark here. I have my small mirror here, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I normally start it off on this end, then I just trim the little excess one like that, then I brush. See the difference? Yeah, like that. And I like to just trim the little excess one, not much. I love my eyebrows very natural and full as it is, so that when I am doing my makeup I just fill them in a little bit. So I don't normally do small thin eyebrows, no. I just trim excess one, then I will go up here and just trim any excess like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to apply eye pencil so that you can see it clearly. So there you have it. I've used my razor blade to just trim excess eyebrows, quick and fast when you want to do your makeup or to leave the house and you don't need to run to the salon to get it done. This is your go-to hack or tip. How do they look? Again, don't concentrate on my mark here. Concentrate on the brows and how they look. I think it's good for a quick and easy tutorial.